Geothermal systems use the energy of the earth to heat and cool your building, as well as heat domestic water for your needs. Our innovative system consists of a closed-circuit contour structure. This structure distributes and transfers heat through circulating the heat transfer fluid between the water source heat pumps in the building and the ground loop heat exchanger. Let's take a look first at the cooling mode during summer season. In cooling mode during the summer, hot fluid descends through the supply header towards the bottom of the borehole to the depth of approximately 500 feet, then back to the return header towards the building. During this journey, the hot fluid rejects heat energy into the ground and the fluid cools down. There are typically two pumps which complete the circulation of the heat transfer fluid within the entire system. Now, the cold fluid is brought back up through the multiple risers and branches between the building's air conditioning units. Apartments' air cooled down in the geothermal water-to-air heat pumps. Blue color indicates the cooling air delivered through the supply air ducts to the indoor spaces for air conditioning. And the hot air, depicted in red, is picked up by the return air ducts, closing air circulating cycle. Heat energy transferred into the fluid, carried down towards the ground loops to cool again. Water-to-water geothermal heat pump utilizes the Earth's energy to deliver domestic hot water to the users. Water is heated up in the water heat exchanging tanks. In heat mode during the winter season, circulation of the system remains the same, but the energy exchange goes in the opposite direction. Namely, the cold fluid travels down toward the ground loop, gains the Earth's energy, and the heated fluids rise back up into the water source heat pumps again, bringing hot fluid to the coils and converting the cold air into warm air, heated to the individual needs of each consumer in their unit. Better yet, separate living spaces can use this system to cool or heat their air simultaneously, without needing to switch anything on or off. The thermostat in the apartment determines the heating-cooling mode needed at the moment and turns unit to drive the delivery of either hot or cool air, based on independent and individual settings of each user in their space. The geothermal system we use consists from the completely closed circulation loop. There is nothing pumped out of the earth or into the earth. The entire system works just by transferring energy between indoor spaces and the ground. Our planet provides us with a terrific energy source to create a comfortable climate in our indoor spaces without needing to extract fossil fuels. Using our technology, you will utilize the most energy-efficient method to heat and cool your buildings, with zero emissions and maximally lowered carbon footprint possible. Our geothermal system offers the highest efficiency in comparison to any other energy solution, including air source heat pumps. Converting your building or installing our geothermal system will not only help you save money on energy bills today, but it will also create a strong investment and increase your profits in the future.